I've been eagerly waiting for this moment. As someone who's been observing the Windows laptop scene from the sidelines for quite a while, the hype surrounding this new matte black laptop piqued my interest. This device is touted as a generational leap, and it made me wonder, is it legit? Have Windows laptops truly caught up to the significant leap Apple made with its Apple Silicon a few years ago? The new Microsoft Surface laptop. This latest entry from Microsoft is a Surface laptop, but it doesn't come with an Intel or AMD chip inside. Instead, it houses a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite chip, making it an ARM laptop. Years ago, Apple transitioned from Intel chips to ARM chips, a move that was extraordinarily successful. The efficiency, seamless integration, and overall package of their laptops took a massive leap forward. On the other hand, Windows laptops attempted a similar transition around the same time, but it didn't go as smoothly. Remember the Surface Pro X? That didn't turn out so well. So, we continued to see Intel and AMD laptops dominate the market. However, it seems like this new attempt with the Snapdragon X Elite has gone much better. Using the Surface laptop. I've been using this laptop for the past couple of weeks, and if you follow the Waveform podcast, you might have noticed it. I've got a pretty good idea of what's gone well and what still poses a challenge. Battery life, a major win. The most significant leap has been in efficiency. In a laptop with the same size battery, this translates to dramatically improved battery life. This Surface laptop has indeed received a substantial boost. The previous Surface laptop with an Intel chip already had commendable battery life, with Microsoft quoting 19 hours. This new model boasts a quote of 23 hours. In my real-world use, this means all-day battery life for mixed use with no worries. High-brightness web browsing, email, watching videos, and doing research. I've done it all and ended the day at around 40% battery remaining. This is fantastic for a 14-inch laptop. On paper, this laptop is frequently compared to the M3 13-inch MacBook Air, and it even outlasts it in some synthetic benchmarks. That's a definite success. Great battery life is a huge plus. Performance, solid and consistent. Another area where this laptop shines is in its optimized performance. While it's not designed for super high-end gaming, it handles everyday tasks with ease. From photo editing in Infinity to working with Microsoft Office Suite, it performs admirably whether plugged in or on battery. The trackpad gestures are smooth, and the overall graphics of the UI remain consistent from a full battery to nearly dead. Native software runs snappily, providing a great user experience. However, this brings us to the downside of switching to ARM architecture: app compatibility. The ARM architecture transition. When Apple made the transition to ARM, they encountered 3 types of apps. 1. Optimized apps, which are ideal. 2. Apps built for x86 but still functional through emulation, albeit not as well. 3. Apps that didn't work at all. For Windows on ARM, we see the same categories. Currently, there's pretty good support for native apps, though it's not perfect. Photoshop and Lightroom CC run natively, as do Chrome, Spotify, Prime Video, Dropbox, and Zoom. These apps are smooth and efficient, not draining the battery heavily. However, some apps I use don't have ARM support but run through emulation. For instance, Lightroom Classic and my preferred to-do list app, TickTick, are x86 apps. While they technically work, they don't run as smoothly and can exhibit noticeable lag. Compatibility challenges. Then there are apps that simply don't work on Windows on ARM yet. Google Drive on desktop and VMware are prime examples. Many VPNs and games also fall into this category. Some apps might technically be compatible, but finding the ARM version can be confusing due to poor website navigation. Build quality and design. The build quality of this Surface laptop is impressive. Microsoft has consistently delivered solid designs with their Surface line, and this model is no exception. The all-metal design, rock-solid keyboard, and large trackpad with excellent haptics are all commendable. The port selection is decent, featuring a full-size USB-A, 2 USB-C ports, and a headphone jack. However, at the higher price point, I would have liked to see an OLED option. Instead, it has a 2304 by 1536 resolution, 120 Hz LCD touchscreen with a 3:2 aspect ratio. While the display is tall and quite good, it can't match the deep blacks and contrast of an OLED. Performance limitations. It's important to note that this isn't a high-end gaming laptop. While it performs well across various tasks, it has a built-in GPU rather than a dedicated one. This means it's not going to deliver top-tier gaming performance, though some games will run. The chip excels in multi-core tasks, but has weaker single-core performance compared to dedicated gaming machines. One positive aspect is its ability to stay cool without frequently spinning up the fans, maintaining a quiet operation. AI features a new era. This laptop is one of the first Copilot PCs, featuring a dedicated Copilot button on the keyboard. The Snapdragon X Elite chip includes an NPU, Neural Processing Unit, for AI-related tasks. This handles features like studio camera effects and artificial eye contact without taxing the CPU or GPU. Pressing the Copilot button allows users to interact with Microsoft Copilot, similar to using Bing Chat or Gemini, providing AI-driven assistance. Conclusion: a step forward. Overall, this Surface laptop is a promising start for Windows on ARM. It's the premium matte black laptop I've been waiting for, and it delivers in many areas. However, the key consideration is whether the software you use is compatible with ARM. This should be the main factor in your decision to purchase one of these laptops. Final thoughts and sponsor. Before you go, have you ever wondered what's inside your laptop or smartphone? Our channel sponsor, Brand, has an interesting answer. You've seen me use magnet paper to reveal internal components like the MagSafe magnet array or speakers. Brand's X-ray line takes this to another level, letting you see virtually every component inside your device. They've taken hundreds of devices to a metrology lab and shot each with a special X-ray machine for maximum accuracy. There's even a light mode version of every X-ray. Personally, I prefer the dark mode version, but if you buy any X-ray skin, you'll get the other colorway for free. Check out the link below to explore Brand's X-ray line. That's it for now. Let me know your thoughts on the Surface laptop and the whole Windows on ARM topic in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Underscore 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 underscore. Detailed breakdown. Battery life. The battery life of this new Surface laptop is outstanding. It achieves all-day usage with ease, even under demanding conditions. The quoted 23-hour battery life translates to real-world scenarios where mixed-use activities still leave ample battery at the end of the day. This level of efficiency is a significant advantage for users who need reliable, long-lasting power on the go. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Surface laptop with the Snapdragon X Elite chip handles everyday tasks without a hitch. From photo editing to running office applications, it performs smoothly. The trackpad and UI remain consistent and responsive, providing a pleasant user experience. However, high-end gaming and demanding graphical tasks are not its forte due to the integrated GPU. App compatibility. The transition to ARM architecture brings challenges in app compatibility. While many popular apps run natively and efficiently, others rely on emulation, leading to potential performance issues. Some apps are entirely incompatible, highlighting the importance of verifying software needs before committing to a Windows on ARM device. Design and build quality. The Surface Laptop continues Microsoft's tradition of excellent build quality. The all-metal design, robust keyboard, and responsive trackpad contribute to a premium feel. The lack of an OLED option is a minor drawback, but the LCD touchscreen is still impressive with its high resolution and refresh rate. AI integration. The inclusion of AI features through the NPU and the dedicated Copilot button marks a new era for Windows laptops. These features enhance user experience by offloading specific tasks from the CPU and GPU, allowing for efficient and seamless operation. Final advice. If you're considering a Windows on ARM laptop, ensure that the software you rely on is compatible. This will determine whether the transition to this new architecture will be smooth or fraught with challenges. For those who find their needs met, the Surface Laptop with the Snapdragon X Elite chip offers an exciting and efficient option. Remember to check out brand's X-Ray line for a unique look at your devices and share your thoughts on this new Surface Laptop in the comments. Catch you in the next video. Peace. This expanded version delves deeper into the specifics of the new Microsoft Surface Laptop, providing a comprehensive overview of its strengths and limitations while emphasizing the importance of software compatibility in the transition to ARM architecture.